Hey everyone! I decided to try this demo at home because it was literally impossible to try making my classroom really dark and to not have any visible light coming through cracks and things like that. So I decided to just do this at home because I have a room at home where I can just shut everything up and it's completely dark. So as you can see, I have a flashlight and it's shining on 3 different colors of paper here. I have white, and I have red, and I have green. I have visible light coming from a flashlight, and as you know, it appears to be white light, and we've found out that white light is made up of 7 different colors. And we used a mnemonic device, Roy G. Biv, for that. Now, 2 things I want to talk about today. How color can transmit through objects, and also how color reflects off of objects. Why do we see certain colors? So, let's look at this white piece of paper, and let's take this red paddle for example. It's a red plastic paddle. It's transparent, it's very clear, and the light's able to transmit through it, get through it. So I'm going to take that paddle and I'm going to place it over the top of the white light, and as you can see, we see red on the white piece of paper. The reason for that is the red light from the visible light, white light, is able to get through that plastic material, but all those other colors are absorbed into the paddle. So that's why we see red. Now, I can do the same thing on this red paper, and I can again see red reflecting back at us because there is red light present in the white light. The red light is reflecting off the red pigment of the paper and reflects back at us, and all the other colors are getting absorbed. But what happens if I take that red paddle, like this, and cover it up over the top of the white light? I'm still getting red light through the paddle, so it's still able to reflect off, and we see red. But the cool thing is, if I do that same thing on the green paper, right now I see green because white light's hitting it, and the green's reflecting, and the rest are getting absorbed. But when I take the red paddle, watch this, and cover it up, then I see kind of like a charcoaly gray color, and try not to look at just right in the center, because it's so intense right there that a bit of that red does kind of reflect off, I guess. But if you look around the edges, you can see how it's gray, kind of charcoaly, dark color. And the reason for that again is the red light is getting trapped by the green, and we're not having any green really reflect because there's no green light going into that green piece of paper. Pretty cool, right? Same thing happens if I would cover up the white light with green this time, and I see green get through. The rest of the colors of the white light's getting trapped by the green plastic. If I take the green paper and I cover up the white light with the green paddle, only focus green light into the green paper, voila, we see green. But if I do that very same thing over here on the red paper, cover it up with the green paddle, I have green going in, and I have no red at all that's being able to reflect back because there's no red light present there. And the light is kind of getting trapped. And again, don't look at that very bright center spot. Look around the edges, and that's a better way to look at it. So pretty cool, right? So again, that's how colors transmit through certain objects, and how certain colors of light can reflect off objects. Thanks for watching.